Hey, finish! Damn!
First PANDEM V3.5 in Calgary.
Is it really? Nah, we got the canards on as well. That's actually so aggressive, man. What the? And the front canards. Whew, that looks sick. Ooh. All right, time to lower this thing.
Take the jack out. Put the leg on the wheel.
What is this monster truck height, Sonny?
It means I'm still functional in Calgary.
True. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and the vlog. Pretty eventful day happening at the garage here. You got Sonny continuing. Well, basically, the PANDEM kit is officially kitted. He is already starting on the wrap. And I don't know if this should be black and white. Is this a secret? Or did you already reveal this? This video isn't even gonna come out for another like 3 weeks anyway, so whatever. Yeah, that's what he's up to. We got Derpy working on airlift install for this S15, which is Lovescars' brother, believe it or not. Kevin, super clean. Got Mr. Gohan over here helping me out. Continue the E36 widebody install. The final day for the kit install. So we already kind of cut out this side yesterday. So we're just gonna continue, and I made the mistake of lifting this as high as possible because I didn't know which way to go on the coils. We'll relower it and try to close this gap, and then yeah, cut the other side, put the kit on with the rear bumper, and yeah, should be good. That's like 2 wide body installs in 1 week in 1 garage. Pretty good. Anyways, guys, let's get this day started. What's the airlift kit that's going in here?
Airlift.
Oh, airlift.
Airlift is coming.
Oh wow, it's a huge tank though.
It will fit.
Well, in Derpy's garage, you can make anything fit. And I was just telling Sonny, I approve of his color choice because this is the exact same color we did the MX-3 in. And it reminds me so much of it. He has the carbon accents and the black to boot.
You might be giving yourself credit for it. Maybe you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful. It's just a reminder that
Just met our new friends over here as well. I just wanted to show them the Supra before you guys left. This is 2021, by the way, so new and freshly picked up. Damn. Well, that's what they came here for, is the yellow tints, but I'm definitely gonna be doing that to mine as well. This is a rare color, that's why. Kind of basking it in. Oh, he's rocking our new air freshener too. Hey. Cool, man. Yeah, I can't wait. I'm excited for you.
Thank you so much, man.
One for the vlogs?
For sure, man. Take care.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, there it is! What the heck? He's like, no!
Oh, no, you're okay. Go play, go play. Oh, it's so sad.
It's just one little boop. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Woohoo! You've made a friend. Go on, who's that?
Just to say a hello, hey, or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call.
Unlike the other side, the goal is to have this as close to the top as possible and have as much thread on the bottom right here as you can. So this is good. It's just yesterday I spent 30 minutes maxing this out the opposite direction. So as you can see, this is all the way to the bottom, whereas it should be touching this top part.
And all I'm doing is I'm singing, yes I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to.
He dominating, dude. He's like demonetized. Right, that is the highest it can go. So it means that should be the lowest it'll drop. While the wheel is off, let's just cut the other side. Yeah. Alright, we good? That's a lot, dude. But that's pretty much what the other side looks like. We cut up to this like frame part, so you know, we kind of had a guide, but now is the real moment of truth. Let's lower this thing. So I've decided that we're just gonna self-tap the shit out of this thing because it does flex a little bit, but from the Google references, I think they're supposed to attach this from the inner wall part, which is right here, except, yeah, I'm not gonna do that. So what I've done is I've marked the holes where I'm gonna be drilling, and they're all equally spaced. You can do this yourselves, guys. Yo, you're good. That's on there. It's a lot of flex, but you did good. And then this, we can just do the same. It's officially on. Thanks for the help, bro. Ish. But look at that. Look at that.
You're not supposed to show that.
Oh yeah. Remember, relatability.
Yeah.
It's a Pro Master.
How's this gonna work? You're not gonna feel anymore.
Good question. Remember, this is a race kit. Show you guys some progress on what's going on inside. How it is.
Yes, it goes. A lot of pre-planning.
Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, it's like different for all cars, right? It's really on where you want to place the tank and stuff like that.
Very much so, yes.
Yeah. So what these guys are doing, they're gonna be placing the tank on that wall right there. But then this is the
Manifold.
yeah, where all the wires go in and like you can control stuff.
Yeah, so this thing distributes the air. So our air pumps from the compressor goes into the tank.
And then this is where like people can get fancy with their lines. And then over here, I thought this was supposed to be done 5 hours ago, dude.
Yeah. Let me show you what happened 5 hours ago.
You don't have to. What a waste. It's all good, man. You got Larry here now. I mean, they got the front fender done.
So this is normal, life is good. And then you pull a little bit.
A little bit, that was a lot. This will be orange soon enough. All right, right there, homie. You're on candid camera.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay.
I want to say hi to my mama. She don't love me no more, but
You can like put this down right here.
oh,
Rusted bolts for life. Rusted bolts for life.
during the whole cinematic, you will say anything you want.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man.
That's hella flash.
Yeah. Okay. That's it, guys. It's not the last bolt, and please don't judge me for using rusty self-tappers. Only God can judge me.
I am.
Oh, I am. Both of you guys said it at the same time. I am the. Yeah, I'm just gonna Amazon order actual like Phillips screw self-tappers. But for now, the kit is on. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then we'll lower the car and show you guys what it looks like. We'll catch you later. Thanks again for the help. What the dude? Go, man! Watch out, you're gonna run over! Yo, you fool! Tomorrow's definitely going to be Bondo bodywork day, and I've kind of marked off all of the areas where I'm gonna be adding, taking away, trimming, and all that stuff. But for now, I say this is pretty decent. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video. As usual, guys, if you want to get updated when new videos come out on the channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Peace. fucking sent it, man.